Okay, so today we're going to do some munchies. And the munchies today are roasted cauliflower, but it's not roasted cauliflower like anything you've ever tasted before. This is very different. Originally I used to do this with oyster crackers. Now that I'm on keto, I do it with cauliflower. It's great with cauliflower because cauliflower absorbs the flavor of anything you put on it. And this is a super easy recipe. You can use it as a munchie when you're watching football, or you can use it as a munchie at the beginning of a party, as an appetizer, little things to eat, or just when you're hungry and you want something around the house. It's easy to make, it's easy to put together. Here, I'll show you how to do it. Start out with a 1/4 cup of butter, and that's 1/8 of a pound of butter if you're not sure how to do a 1/4 cup. Melt the butter. Take a 1/4 cup of Orville Redenbacher's butter-flavored popcorn oil. Now, if you can't find this or you don't have this, you can use any kind of oil, but then it's not a bad idea to use maybe a teaspoon of butter extract in it. With the Orville Redenbacher popcorn oil, it already has the butter flavor, so you don't need to add anything else. Put the oil in the butter. The reason we put the oil into the butter is that we're going to roast this, and when you roast it, the oil will bring up the smoke point of the butter so you won't be burning the butter while you're roasting it. Now, take 3 tablespoons of Hidden Valley Ranch dressing mix. Everybody knows this stuff is where ranch came from. Everybody now gets ranch dressing in stores, but it started out with the mix. Take 3 tablespoons, mix 3 tablespoons of it into the butter. It just turned out that was an entire packet. So, now, take a teaspoon of dill. Mix that all together, and you're going to have your coating for your cauliflower. Now you've got your coating. All right, you cut the cauliflower into individual florets. That way each floret is going to be a snack. And it's not that hard. Just look for where the thing separates and go ahead and create individual bite-sized pieces. And put that into a bowl. All right. Now that you've got your butter all mixed up and your cauliflower pieces all cut up, take your butter, pour it over the cauliflower, and mix it in well. You want to get each of the florets very well coated. Okay, now you take the cauliflower florets and you spread them out onto a foil-lined baking sheet and space them out so that you've got plenty of room in between them. And now you roast them in a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, and they'll be done. Kiki may want this more than I do. Okay, so you've got your cauliflower roasted with butter flavoring, dill, and Hidden Valley Ranch. Call it ranch cauliflower, call it whatever you want, it's really good. This is a nice munchie. It's a good snack while you're watching TV, or it's not a bad side dish whenever you're having dinner. So I'm gonna have whatever. I think Kiki wants more.